Hey there! In this video, we're diving into a common networking problem that many face when setting up a server with multiple network cards. The problem arises when trying to configure one network card with a dynamic IP and another with a static IP, resulting in connectivity issues. Now, let's talk about the solution to this problem. The key lies in properly configuring the network routes for each network card. In the provided solution, we see the configuration for the network routes on the server. Specifically, the routes for the 1 GB and 10 GB network cards are defined, ensuring that the traffic is routed correctly between the two cards. It's essential to highlight the specific network routes defined in the solution, such as the routes for the 192.168.0.024 subnet on the M5S0 and M4S0 network interfaces. These routes specify how the server should handle traffic within each subnet, ensuring proper communication between devices. In summary, by correctly configuring the network routes for each network card, you can resolve connectivity issues and ensure smooth communication between devices on different subnets. And with that, we've covered the solution to the networking problem at hand. Thanks for watching, and remember to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below.